Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Uwant D100 Pro wet dry vacuum. I've already been using this for over 3 months now, and this is a great vacuum to have to clean up all your type of messes, either wet or dry. So on this video, I'm going to show you all the great features that this product has and how well that it cleans up all the different type of messes that you might encounter. So let's get into it. So you can see how easily and how quickly that this Uwant vacuum cleans up all these different type of messes. I have spilled wine, coffee grounds, grape jelly, ketchup, and even cereal. So you see, this picks up all the messes all in 1 or 2 passes without having to switch to the different cleaning instrument, and it leaves the floor spotless. This also has a great edge cleaning feature. You see all the dirt that I have on the edge of this wall? I'll just clean it up real quick. Very easily. So you can see with the Uwant vacuum, you could clean under surfaces and clean it with the 180-degree cleaning. So with the regular vacuum, it will stop right here. With the Uwant, I could go flat and clean under it without any problems. This vacuum even cleans up all the muddy messes from the outside. Another great feature is with the docking station, all you have to do is just roll it into the base and lift it up, and then it charges. So you don't have to worry about it leaving a mess while you're bringing it up. And then from here, you could do the self-clean, and it then recharges the vacuum all in one. The cleaning tray is also waterproof, so you could clean this and wet it without having to worry that it's going to get messed up. You're also able to wash the brush without having to worry to get messed up. You're also able to wash this also. So you can see all the dirt from the ground and all the pieces that I picked up is stored here separated. The liquid is separated from the solids. So all you have to do, you're going to lift up the top like so. So you're just going to pour out the water. You see how dirty it is? So this deodorizing stick works great to keep the tank smelling nicely, and it won't grow any foul smelling odors. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great wet dry vacuum. I like how well that it picks up all my different type of messes that I get during the day. I also like how the battery life lasts around 35 minutes per charge. Also, I like how the handle is nice and flexible, so it helps with my wrist issues. And I also like how the base station self-cleans the roller brush, so that way I don't have to get my hands dirty after I clean up all the dirty mess. I like how the vacuum is able to clean at the 180 degrees lie flat. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.